Good morning everyone and welcome back to our mathematics class. Students, our first term is over and now we have started our second term of this academic year. Okay student, so we will start our portion of second term. So students, are you ready? I hope all of you have enjoyed your Diwali vacation and now you are ready for our second term. Okay students, so let's start. So students, in first term we have learned addition, subtraction and multiplication, correct? So in addition we have learned only addition without carrying over. Okay, addition without carrying over. For example, 3 plus 2, 5. In this way, some easy additions we have learned in first term, correct? So today we are going to learn addition by carrying over. Okay, so student, let's start. But before that we will learn or we will see again places. We have learned places of numbers, correct? For example, there are places like unit place, tens place and hundred place. We have learned 3-digit numbers, correct? So unit place, tens place and hundred place. Okay, and suppose number is 245. How to read this? 245. So it means that there are 5 units, 4 tens and 200. Correct? 5 unit means 5, 4 tens. 4 tens means 40 and 2h means 200. So here tens. So we have given 10. 200. 100 means we have to give 20 because there are 2 places. Correct? After 100 there are 2 places. So 200. So in this way we write place and place value of the digit. We will take one more example. 399. How to read it? 399. So see here, 9 units means 9. 9 tens means 90. And 3h means 300. So student, you can see here, both the digits are same. 9. Here also 9, here also 9. Both the digits are same. But their place values are different. For example, 9 units. So, place value of this 9 is 9. But place value of this 9 is 90. Because it is 9 tens. Okay student? This is 9 unit and this is 9 tens. So place values are changed. So 3h means 300, 9 tens means 90 and 9 unit means 9. Okay students? So students, we have learned 1t means what? How to read it? 1 tens. 1 tens is equal to 10. So 2 tens is equal to 20. 2 tens, 20. 3 tens, 30. 4 tens, 40. Correct? So in this way we write till 9 tens. Can you tell me? 9 tens is equal to 90. Then 10 tens. So if 9 tens is equal to 90, then 10 tens is equal to 100. Correct? 9 10 means on 9 we have given 10. So here on 10 10. So it become 100 and it is also called 1h. 100 means what? 1h. So 100 we can write both ways. 100, so we can write 1h or we can write 10 tens. Values are same only. 10 tens is equal to 100 and 1 h is also equal to 100. So student, 10 tens is equal to 100. Okay. So 11 tens is equal to, can you tell me here? 11 tens. Correct? So it is 11 and 0. 110. So students, how to write this? This we will write 1h and 1 tens. How to write 11 tens? 1h and 1 tens. Then 12 tens. 12 tens, how to write? 1h and 2 tens. 12 tens is equal to 1h and 2 tens. 13 tens is equal to 1h and 3 tens. Means 130. 1h and 3 tens. So in this way we have to write 11 tens, 12 tens and 13 tens. Now we will see some more examples. So students, see again, we will take practice. 10 tens means what we learned? 10 tens means 100 and we have written it as 1h. h means 100. So 11 tens is equal to 1h means 100 and 1 tens means 10. Okay. Here we will write 1h means 100 plus 1 tens means 10. 100 plus 10, that is 11 tens. Okay. Next is 12 tens. 12 tens is equal to 100 and 2 tens. See here, first digit is 1. That is 100 and 2 tens. 13 tens. How to read it? 100 and 3 tens. 90 tens. So 19 tens, how to read? 100 and 9 tens. 19 tens is equal to 109 tens. So in this way, 23 tens is equal to 203 tens. Okay students, suppose 27 tens, then we will write 207 tens. Okay students, so when we will learn addition by carrying over, you should know how to read this. Okay student, so before starting addition, we will practice this. Okay, see again, 10 tens means 1h, 100, 100. So 11 tens is equal to 1h and 1 tens. 11, you can see here 1, 1, 1h and 1 tens. 12 tens, 102 tens. 1, 2, 102 tens. Okay. 13 tens, 1h, 3 tens. So student, you should practice this. Okay. Today you will write numbers, any 2-digit number from 10 to 99 and just write down how many hundreds and how many tens. Suppose 68 is there. Okay. 68 tens. So just take first digit 6, then write down h, means 600 and 8 tens. Okay, 608 tens. So students, can you write from 10 to 99 any number you take and just write down these number in this form, 100 and tens form. Because if you know this properly, you can do addition very easily. Okay student, so just practice it. So students, if it is given 1h and 9 tens, you should know 1h and 9 tens means what? 19 means 19 tens. 2h and 3 tens means 23 tens. How to read it? 23 tens. So students, on your page number 50. See, on your page number 50, some examples are given and you have to complete these boxes. Okay students, whatever we have learned today in the form of 110s, it is given on page number 50. So student, today's homework is to solve page number 50 in your notebook. Okay students, thank you.